I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking
Start out by applying glue stick onto your brows and press the glue back and forth to ensure the brows get coated down to the roots. Then comb your brows upwards to flatten and lock your hair down. Next, apply second layer of the glue to ensure there's no flyaway. Then use the end of the spoolie brush to press your hair in place in an upward motion to flatten the surface. Next, use a wet wipe to clean the outer edges. Once the glue is dry, apply loose powder all over your brows. Next, apply foundation all over your face and neck without touching your brows.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, death was speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone.
Then apply the foundation onto the brows and use a patting motion to give it a full coverage. Next, apply loose powder with a beauty sponge to lock your brows in place. And use a fluffy brush, apply loose powder all over your face. Today, I'm wearing Russian silver contact lens from Pink Icon. Moving on to the eyes, start out by applying pink color onto the inner half of your eyes. And also onto your eye bag. Next, apply the same color with the angle brush onto the outer half of your eyes just above your crease line. And also onto the outer corner of your eye bag. Next, apply white shimmer liquid liner onto the inner corners of your eyes. Then apply white eyeliner onto your waterline. Next, apply shimmer pink highlighter inside your crease and bring it up just above your crease line.
I've been feeling so down, yeah.
And also the inner corners of your eyes.
Can you tell me why I'm down?
Then apply nude shimmer highlighter onto the outer corners of your eyes just above your crease line.
Now I'm thinking.
And use whatever left on the brush, apply it onto the center of your lower lash line. To sharpen the crease line, apply reddish pink color just above the highlighter. And also onto the outer corner of your eye bag. Then line your eyes with black liquid liner.
Why it's getting colder when the sun comes out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
After you curl your lashes, apply mascara onto the upper and lower lashes. Time for the brows. Draw multiple lines onto your brow bone following your eye socket.
It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you.
Then fill in the gaps with a lighter strokes to create volume.
Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good.
Next, apply white eyeshadow just to the roots of your new brows to soften the harsh lines. To make your eyebrows pop, apply white shimmer liquid liner on top of your brows and also some of the gaps to sharpen your brows. And make sure it's uneven to create a fur-like finish. Then apply apply individual lashes onto your lash line to make your eyes pop.
I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun.
To set your brows in place, apply a thin layer of white eyeshadow onto your brows and connect them together.
Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
Moving on to the face, apply red blush onto the center of your cheeks and blend it up to your cheekbones.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so.
Next, apply reddish pink color under the tip of your nose.
Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine around. Yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught.
Then apply contour color in a U shape around the tip of your nose
myself inside.
and bring it down to the middle of your cupid's bow.
Keep on running from the truth.
Next, apply highlighter onto the tip of your nose and your nose bridge,
Only fucking you.
and also your cheekbones.
Around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just
Then apply the same contour color onto the hollows of your cheeks and bring it up to the side of your forehead,
I don't know what got me.
and also bring it down to your jawline.
June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go claim the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah.
Moving on to the lips, draw a line from each corners of your mouth to elongate your lips with a black liquid lipstick.
Breaking news got me breaking.
Then apply the same color to the inner parts of your lower lips. Then press your lips together. Next, draw a straight line at the center of your lips. Then press your lips together to make the color bleed in two fine lines. Then connect the lines from each corner of your mouth to the upper lip like so. Next, apply a thin coat of orange color onto your lips and blend it with a black liquid lipstick.
I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get no, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself in.
Then apply loose powder on top of your lips to lock everything in and to make it look super dry.
From the truth, was that not? I'm just a
Next, apply red lip tint onto your lips.
fool. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all.
Then apply reddish pink color onto the outer corners of your lip line to make it look messy.
Just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
Next, apply pink shimmer highlighter onto your upper lip line
Drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know,
and bring it up to the cupid's bow.
running from the truth. Was that
Then apply loose powder around the outer corner of your lips to soften everything out.
when I drive around?
And we're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you want to watch more of my videos, please click it right here. I'll post the link in the description box for you guys. Or if you want to follow me on social media, please go right ahead. And happy Halloween! I forgot the end line. Oh yeah. Bye!